Google Stitch. What's that? Same as Cloud Design or Figma makes, Stitch turns voice or text into design. So I asked it to design me a website template and it blew me away. The best result I've seen across every tool I've tested so far. Design system, layout, sections, assets like that. No iterations needed whatsoever. And because it's Google, I can even generate a heat map showing me where viewers will look so I can place content strategically right away. I haven't seen that anywhere else. Also, I got a full strategic brief, including next steps and all that stuff. With one sentence, I got this design fully responsive with all assets and brief in minutes. Now to the too good to be true part. I tried to export it as a Figma file, I couldn't, so that leaves me with exporting it as a code, or I can build it with Google Gemini. Honestly, at this quality and speed, I might as well reconsider my whole workflow.